Good evening, folks. This is Monday evening here in the UK. It's just coming up to 20 past 7 in the evening, or just past. There's about an hour and 40 minutes of the US session to go. And this is a chart of the German DAX. Now, obviously, the cash market's closed, but this is the futures market, and you can see now we're still rallying. We've made a new high on this rally since we made the low there at on the 19th of March, which has been a rally back, and you can see now we took out the 61% retracement of the high that we made in February the 20th there, the all-time high in the DAX. We came down, and now you can see all these ABCD patterns. Here's the ABCD. Now that one completed here, and you can see that we've taken that one out, but the lines above it, these are the expansion ratios that the CD leg can expand to if it gets above the 100%. So the point D obviously is the 100%. That's the A to B equals C to D, yeah. And then these are expansions. So these are the ratios. Your 1.27 comes in here. They've got another ABCD off this swing. A, B, C, D, and you can see the 1.27 on that comes in. And you've got your 707 of the high that we made on the 20th of February coming in. So multi-ratios coming together and multiple patterns. Okay, now we've got another one here, this A, B, C, D. That comes in a little bit higher up. If you just drag it across a little bit, you can see that one comes in a little bit up. But again, it's right at this 707, isn't it? So this is the area you've got to be keeping a very close eye on, folks. This 12,100 to 12,200. This is a major zone of resistance, and we need to keep a close eye on it, because I think I still believe this is just a BC swing. So this is your A to B, and this is a B to C swing of a much bigger correction. Now, if you listen to the news and the media, I just trade patterns and ratios, folks. That's all I do. This move down, if you look at this move down, the start of it was the 20th of February, okay, and the end of it was the 19th of March. It took exactly 4 weeks to get down there, didn't it? Now it's taken all this time just to get above the 618. So you can see that when the panic hits the market, the sell-off is really sharp, and when we start down again, folks, this is going down lower, a lot lower. And you need to really be aware of this. You're hearing it here now. This is pinpoints patterns telling you to be really careful at these levels, folks. I can be wrong. These patterns fail sometimes. When they fail, they can fail big. So they can shoot off to new highs. That can happen. But, I'll see it I'll believe it when I see it, okay? So these are the levels you need to be watching. This 12,000 is a key psychological level anyway, so it might not quite get up here. It'll probably back off at 12,000. You might see a bit of it might have a couple of attempts, and then I'm expecting it to drop off the screen. You need to be prepared for this, folks. I'm trading long, but I'm trading long sort of short, like intraday type of thing. I won't want a long position. I think there's a butterfly here, if I can draw it in. Helps if I press the right tool, doesn't it? Try that one. Might be a better idea. There you go. There's your X to A, and that could be where we end up, folks. Somewhere in that zone. If I drop that probably a 1.618 actually. So I'll draw it again with a 1.618 expansion on it. That's probably all it's going to do. There's your 1.618 right there. Have a look at that one. Hang on a minute. There you go. And that comes in your 1.6. Yeah, 12,123. That's perfect. 12,100, folks, on the DAX. That's what you're looking at. Any move above this telling me all this analysis is wrong, and I'll go back to crocheting or something like that, or whatever it is. But that's what I'm saying. So take care, folks. that's what I'm seeing in the German DAX tonight. So